Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you, our online YouTube class. Today I am going to teach you Science, class 4th, and that's chapter 3rd. My dear students, in this chapter we have discussed about that chapter name is Digestive and Excretory System. In this is in this chapter we have discussed about digestive system and excretory system. So firstly, what is digestive system? It means which type of food we eat, and after that how to digest in our body. That's the digestive system. Okay, with the help of digestive system, all types of food uh, digest in our stomach. Okay, and next is excretory system. What is excretory system? So we have discussed about it deeply in that starting the chapter. So that's the first says we have already learned about the importance of food of our body. You also know uh, also are read about the importance of our body, food for our body. Okay, and every day we eat a wide variety of food. It means day to day we eat different types of food every day. Okay, and next, the food that we eat cannot be used by our body as it is. Okay, the food that we cannot be used of our body as it is broken down it into into simple into simpler substance so that the nutrients in the food can absorb by the blood. It means that types, if we take any types of food, then broken down in our mouths, then go to of our stomach after that digestion, and that the process of breaking down the food, the process of that's the process of breaking down the food into simpler forms so that they can be used by the body are called digestion. And that's the digestion. It means which food we take, which types of food we eat, and that's broken down by simpler forms, that's called the digestion. Okay, the process of breaking down, it means which process of food, and that's into simpler forms, and that's so that they can be used by the body is called digestion. Okay, and next here, digestive system. Okay, so next our topic is digestive system. My dear student, before starting the class, I also discuss about digestion. Okay, it means which type of food we take, and uh, that the process of breaking down is called a digestion, and that's your digestive system. It means which type of food we take, and that's go in a stomach. After that, how to digest, which system, that's a help of digestion of food. Okay, the organs involved in the process of digestion are called digestive system. It means which type of organs support of digestion of food, and that's called digestive organs. Okay, next here, the food we eat passes through a long tube called the alimentary canal. It means alimentary canal. So that's here one example, one question for you. What is alimentary canal? What is alimentary canal? Okay, so here, what is alimentary canal? So the food we eat passes through a long tube called gut or alimentary canal. Okay, that's the your answer. And another question here arise, that's what is digestive organs? So the organ involved in the process of digestion are called digestive organs. Is that clear? Next here, the food passes through many different parts of the gut. During its journey, it mixes with a special juices are called enzyme. So here another question, what is enzyme? It means during food passes through many different parts of the gut. During its journey, it mix the special juice. It means in this during mix the one special juice, and that juices called enzymes, which help the break down the food we eat. It means we take food, that's the help of breakdown. Okay, and the food slowly change in liquid, which gets absorbed by the body, and this change is called digestion. It means which type of food we take, and that's a breakdown with the help of enzymes, and that's slowly change in liquid we gets the absorbed by the body, and this change is called digestion. This uh, this change is called digestion. So my dear student, you also see the figure of human digestive system. It means firstly you take the food with the help of our mouth, then go and food with the uh, esco okay, so you see here that's a figure of human digestive system. My dear student, in that's your fair copy, when you complete, that's the you also draw that figure, right? Draw the figure of human digestive system. You also see, and that's your mouth. Okay, when you take your food, after that that's the slavery glands, and next year esophagus, and that's all with the help of pipes, that's food reached at a stomach, and after that start the process of digestion. Okay, next here process of digestion. What is process of digestion? And that's the various part of digestive system and their functions are described here. My dear students, firstly I say what is digestive system, and next year what is the process of digestion, and that's the various parts of digestive system and functions are described here. Okay, first part is mouth. Why? Because firstly you take the food with the help of our mouth. Okay, that's the first. The teeth cop, chew and break the food into a smaller pieces. You also know with the help of our chews, teeth and teeth, that's the break the food in a smaller pieces, and that saliva present in our mouth mix with the foods and make the soft and easy to swallow. It means firstly with the help of teeth, cop, chew and break the food in a smaller pieces, then with the help of saliva that's present in our mouth and makes the food, it's very soft and easy to swallow. Okay, next year it helps in the digestion of a starch. Okay, next point. Okay, and next here oesophagus or food pipe. It means that's the food pipes. With the help of food pipes, after the food chew we in mouths. It means firstly we take a food with the help of saliva, that's make very soft and easy to swallow, and that's after that go in, that's in passes through the food pipe into a stomach, passes through the help of food pipe and go to a stomach. Okay, and that's the picture of a stomach. You also see that's the picture of a stomach. Okay, a stomach, it is a muscular bag. It is a muscular bag which release digestive juice. That's a release digestive juice. It means if we take a food, then how to digest with the help of a stomach. Okay, that's a stomach is released to digestive juice, and the acid and the enzymes in the stomach turns the smaller pieces of food into paste. It means with the help of a stomach, all types of food change into little bit a smaller pieces food into the paste. Okay, and next you also see some question, and that's you also solve it. Okay, if you have any problem, then you also say, and that's here an extra mile. You also remember that things, that's the very important. Okay, that's here just like the length of each organ. So it means what is the length of mouth? 8 centimeter. Food pipe 25 centimeter, a stomach 15 centimeter, a small intestine 5 centimeter. Okay, long intestine 1 meter 20 centimeter, and this length varies according to the age. That's the different from age. Okay, next here a small intestine. A small intestine means of digestive juice called bile. or which type of digestive juice are called bile. Okay, is poured into the small intestine from the liver, which digestive fat, and that's the digestive of fat. Okay, next, the juices obtained from the pancreas digested carbohydrates and proteins, and that's the obtained from the pancreas. Okay, next here, uh, and digested carbohydrate and protein, that's the digested carbohydrate and protein, and the process of the digestion is completed and ends in the small lines in intestine. Okay, it means the process of the digestion is complete and end, that's completed and end in a small intestine. Okay, next, the nutrients. Okay, next here, the nutrients are absorbed by the blood vessels in the walls of a small intestine. Okay, and next here, large intestine. So large intestine means the waste food that is not digested in the small intestine comes into the large. Yani, it means which type of food not digested by a small intestine, that's a reach at large intestine. Okay, and that's the digest. It absorb water from the food and from the feces. Okay, and next here, anus. It is the lower end of the alimentary canal. That's a lower and end of the alimentary canal, and the feces pass out the our body through the anus. Okay, so my dear student, today's our complete topic is complete, and next topic we have discussed in next class. So my dear students, you write read firstly all topics you read, and then you also make the figure of human digestion system in your fair copy. Okay, so my dear students, you stay home, save your life, and continue your study. Okay, thank you.